In Shenandoah National Park, on the Dickey Ridge Visitor Center's back lawn, which is around mile marker 4, at 11 a.m. almost every day until September 4th, is a ranger talk that lasts about 30 minutes.
And letting us know where you found it, and we can
The subject matter can vary, but when we went, we were educated on the non-native and invasive insects and plants that plague the Skyline Drive.
Another state or even a different country. It's boring to also carry that vigilance.
We also found out that Shenandoah National Park has essentially a SWAT team to take care of business to eradicate them when located, and they also have a troop that goes through and will replant trees and other native vegetation once the threat has been handled.
It's important that you contact the local agricultural department. That's helpful, and maybe you may be the sole person preventing the spread.
See the links below for the National Park's main page, its invasive species page, its invasive plants page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.